Michelle Lavon Robinson Obama, born January 17, 1964, is an American attorney and author who served as First Lady of the United States from 2009 to 2017 as the wife of Barack Obama, the 44th President of the United States. Born in Chicago and raised on the south side of the city, Obama is a graduate of Princeton University and Harvard Law School. In her early legal career, she worked at the law firm Sidley Austin, where she met her future husband. She subsequently worked in nonprofits and as the Associate Dean of Student Services at the University of Chicago. Later, she served as Vice President for Community and External Affairs of the University of Chicago Medical Center. Michelle married Barack in 1992, and they have 2 daughters. Obama campaigned for her husband's 2008 and 2012 presidential campaigns. She was the first African-American woman to serve as First Lady. As First Lady, Obama worked as an advocate for poverty awareness, education, nutrition, physical activity, and healthy eating. She has written for books, including her New York Times best-selling memoir, Becoming 2018, and The Light We Carry 2022. After leaving office, Obama ranked first in the Gallup poll for the most admired woman in the United States for 3 straight years. She holds significant cultural influence and continues to advocate for voter participation in elections. She has also pivoted to launching successful media ventures. During her early months as First Lady, Obama visited homeless shelters and soup kitchens. She also sent representatives to schools and advocated public service. Obama advocated for her husband's policy priorities by promoting bills that support it. She hosted a White House reception for women's rights advocates in celebration of the enactment of the Lilly Ledbetter Fair Pay Act of 2009 pay equity law. She supported the economic stimulus bill in visits to the United States Department of Housing and Urban Development and United States Department of Education. Some observers looked favorably upon her legislative activities, while others said she should be less involved in politics. According to her representatives, she intended to visit all United States cabinet-level agencies in order to get acquainted with Washington. In 2009, Obama was named Barbara Walters' Most Fascinating Person of the Year. In her memoir, Becoming, Obama describes her for primary initiatives as First Lady. Let's move. Reach higher. Let girls learn and joining forces. Some initiatives of First Lady Michelle Obama included advocating on behalf of military families, helping working women balance career and family, encouraging national service, and promoting the arts and arts education. Obama made supporting military families and spouses a personal mission and increasingly bonded with military families. According to her aides, stories of the sacrifice these families make moved her to tears. In April 2012, Obama and her husband were awarded the Gerald Washington Memorial Founders Award by the National Coalition for Homeless Veterans, NCHV. The award is the highest honor given to homeless veteran advocates. Obama was again honored with the award in May 2015, accepting with Jill Biden. In November 2013, a Politico article by Michelle Cottle accusing Obama of being a feminist nightmare for not using her position and education to advocate for women's issues was sharply criticized across the political spectrum. Cottle quoted Linda Hirschman saying of Obama's trendy styles, promotion of gardening and healthy eating, and support of military families that she essentially became the English lady of the manor Tory party, circa 1830s. In May 2014, Obama joined the campaign to bring back schoolgirls who had been kidnapped in Nigeria. The First Lady tweeted a picture of herself holding a poster with the hashtag #BringBackOurGirls campaign hashtag. Obama writes in her book about enlisting help for her initiative Let Girls Learn to Produce and sing the song This Is For My Girls. Over the course of the Obama presidency, particularly during the second term, Michelle Obama was subject to speculation over whether she would run for the presidency herself, similarly to predecessor Hillary Clinton. February 14, 2016, during a town hall meeting, President Obama was asked if the First Lady could be talked into running. He responded, "There are three things that are certain in life: death, taxes, and Michelle is not running for president. That I can tell you." On March 16, 2016, while speaking in Austin, Texas, Obama denied that she would ever run for the office, citing a desire to impact as many people as possible in an unbiased way. And in the epilogue to Becoming, Obama writes, "I have no intention of running for office, ever. Recognizing that politics can be a means for positive change, but this arena is just not for me." For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.